Hey guys, this is Wanda the Traveling Dutchie with today a video tutorial about how to fill out Colombia's check-make form. If you're new to this channel, I'm a Dutch expat. I've been living on and off in Colombia in Bogota for the last 3 years. And with my channel, I like to help anybody looking to live in Colombia, travel to Colombia, but also Costa Rica, because that's where I've been living for the last 17 years. So Colombia has been relatively new to me, 3 years, but I do have a lot of information for you guys. So as part of Colombia's entry requirements, you actually need to fill out a so-called check-make form when you arrive, but also when you leave Colombia. Now, actually, one of you told me or asked me, can you please do a video on how to fill this form out? I keep saying in my updates on entry requirements to not pay somebody to help you fill it out. I always say it's so easy, but I understood there are some people that have trouble, so I thought I would help you out. So you don't need to pay anybody to help you. You can watch this video because I'm going to share my screen with you and I'm going to go step by step on how to fill out the check-make form. It is really easy. It's just that some parts, it wasn't translated well from Spanish into English. So that's where I guess I could see you might have some trouble. So without further ado, I'm going to explain it all. Let me take you to my screen. So the first thing you'll do is once you're done watching this video, you're going to go scroll down and check the text box here for the link to the check-make form. Click it, and then the first thing you'll want to do is get the English version. Not every single section in this form is super perfect English, but you'll understand. Like for example here, make your check-make. That is what we're gonna do. So click here. I'm gonna assume that all of you are gonna fly into Colombia. So click air. This pops up just because it wants to let you know that you can only fill out this form within 72 hours prior to your flight. Not sooner, all right? So just click next. And then we need to just simply fill out all the fields. First, you're going to do entrance to Colombia. And then, of course, when you leave Colombia, you need to do the same. And then you click on departure from Colombia. Then you need to pick the city of entry to country. Normally, I fly to Bogota, that's where our apartment is, but I am actually going to Cartagena this time. So that's what I need to fill out. Flight date, May 6th. Type of flight, I'm on a commercial flight. My flight number is 649, and it should auto-populate, and it did. I'm flying from San Jose to Cartagena, Costa Rica, Costa Rica. Perfect. Airline, Avianca, that is all correct. Country of origin. Okay, so most of you are from the United States, and I've noticed that that is not an option. Let me show you. You see? So this is where they've actually put the country in Spanish, which is Estados Unidos. So you need to go to the E. Here you go, Estados Unidos. However, I am not from there. I'm Dutch, so I need to find my country, which is also in Spanish, the Netherlands, Países Bajos. Holanda, Países Bajos. That is correct for me. And I go to next. All right, now we need to fill out some personal data. I'm not going to fill out all of that because, of course, I don't need my passport number to be out there online for everybody to see. So you enter your passport number, your name, your passport expiration date, your birth date, gender, email. Do you have a visa for going into Colombia? No, because you don't need one from the United States. And then trip reason for entry to Colombia would be tourism. Here it is. It's spelled special, but this is it, tourism. And then we move on to hosting data. So this is basically they want to know where you will be staying when you're in Colombia. So in this case, I do not fill out my home address because I am in Cartagena. So I'm actually gonna fill out my hotel information. Now over here, this might be a little bit confusing. Department. It simply is literally translated from the Spanish word departamentos, which is like the different provinces in Colombia. Now, obviously, most of you don't know necessarily which province you will be flying to, right? So what I did is I just simply Googled Departamentos de Colombia, and you will see here the common ones people go to. Medellin is here. You can see Cartagena, that's where I'm flying, so I need to pick Bolivar. Scroll down the list. Here, Bogota is here. Cundinamarca, I don't know if I say that right. Santa Marta is here. So you just want to look that up. Let me go back to the check MIC form. So Bolivar was my departamento. Address, I'm simply gonna copy, this is the hotel I'll be staying at, so I'm simply gonna copy this address from Google. I select the city, Cartagena, telephone number, let me go back to Google. I've added the phone number here, and I click on next. Then we are on the next page, and you're simply gonna answer these questions. So you carrying more than 10,000? Probably not. It's a little slow, but here it is. Have you ever been sanctioned from my No. Do you have more than one citizenship? No. Are you fully vaccinated against COVID? Obviously, you need to pick what is your current situation. I have. Have you ever felt symptoms of... No. And we go next. Do you travel with minors? Are you traveling with a minor you would like to... I am not. Next. Confirm the text displayed in the image. All right, let's say A, F, and A, F. I tick the box. Terms and conditions. For all legal, I certify that all the information provided in this form is true and accurate. Yep. Save and send pre-registration. Please save a screenshot of this screen, which can serve as a support for your pre-registration. And then I'll download it here. And it also shows that, they send it to your email. And you're good to go. Make sure that when you arrive, you have it ready to show on your phone. And you're good to go. All right, you guys, I hope you found this helpful. If you got any value from this at all, please give me a like, a thumbs up. That really helps out my channel. Subscribe, click that little bell icon, and also leave a comment. The YouTube algorithm will then reward me and show this video to more people. I have close to 200 different videos on my channel. If you're interested in finding out more about, the Colombia entry requirements, what happened with the vaccine mandate, I will link that at the end of this video. But also just go to my channel, click on my name, click on videos. You will see all the different videos with all the different topics. You can use the filter to find the different topics that you are looking for. And if I have not done a video on a topic you would like some more information about, just let me know in the comment section below and tell me, Wanda, I want you to do a video about XYZ. This is how I ended up doing this video. I was doing all these updates on Colombia entry requirements. So the thing is, a lot of people actually charge to help people to fill out to check MIC form. And I always said, don't do that. It's easier. You can do it yourself. And so people told me, well, actually certain sections aren't that easy. Therefore, I decided to make a video about it. So thank you for the tip. If you have more tips, please let me know and I will do a video about it. All right. I want to thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. All right. Ciao for now. Bye.